Hey guys, welcome to this video. I hope you are doing great. So I know I've been sharing a lot of the problems with this property lately, but today I was thinking that I'll share some of its strong points and a little bit about my vision for this place. The view out over the lake is of course the main strong point of this property and the main reason why I bought the house in the first place. I think the camera cannot do it fully justice, but I'm sure that if you came visiting here in real life you would really enjoy it. I think a lot of the ideas that I have for this property and the vision I have for this property are centered around the view, obviously. Another strong point of the property is this double garage. Maybe this is one of the main reasons that I bought the house in the first place. It's very spacious and so on. Of course it needs to be fixed up a little bit or quite a lot. I'm planning to extend the roof a little bit, make it a little bit taller. I think that would add more air into this already spacious building. I can see it turn into a workshop of some kind, maybe, I don't know, renovating furniture or repairing bicycles and whatnot. It would be like a creative space, I think. In the back side there is a kind of a small workshop section, maybe doing some craft or carpentry and so on. There are benches and shelves and whatnot. So this is the workshop I was talking about in the back side of the garage. There are a lot of shelves and benches and well, a drill is left behind and some other tooling for woodwork. This is the back side of the garage. Currently there is a kind of a rose garden and so on, and I think I need to let them grow up so I can see what kind of roses there are. But later I'm planning to relocate them and build a kind of a wooden deck or a tree deck here with some roof over it. It can be a nice place to enjoy breakfast with a view out over the lake. At first, after buying this house, I was thinking I wanted to tear down this roofing and so on. But now, after spending some time here, I realized this is a very nice place to sit during the day and during the evening. I can see myself put a sofa here and a few chairs and a table, hanging out with family and friends over dinner or something like that. Put up a few infra heaters to extend the season and so on, and maybe some warm lighting here to turn on in the evening to get this cozy feeling. Of course there will be like an outdoor kitchen here with a grill for the barbecue, and hey, why not a pizza oven maybe? That would be something. I don't know about you, but I think this sounds like a great idea. If you ask me, I would say that the geographical location of this house is pretty ideal. There are two smaller cities within 10 kilometers from here, and you can reach one of the bigger cities in the country with a 30-minute drive. I mean, we are on the countryside now, so the closeness to the nature is quite evident. I mean, there is a big forest, or there is forest all over the place, and you can go for for a hike or go mountain biking or camping with just a few steps. Then we of course have the lake, and actually there are two more lakes close by. This house and my closest neighbors, we are located a little bit on the outskirts of this small village. Maybe there are like 20-30 households here with a couple of farms, so it's quite nice. The landscape I would describe like rolling hills with mostly forest, but then also open farmland. So yeah, I like it very much. This upper part of the property, the upper part of the yard, so to say, I think would look good with a nice lawn, and then plant a few fruit trees, maybe some apple trees and pear trees and cherry trees and whatnot. There are also already growing some berries here as well, some blackcurrant and yeah, obviously raspberries. So I think this would be a nice place to walk around barefoot. Really decided what to do with this shed. Maybe it could become like a plant school, bringing up the small tomato plants in the spring and so on before planting them outside. I think it can be saved actually, and for sure I will not tear it down. Here on the lower side of the property, this will be the greenhouse or the farming area. I'm planning to have like a big potato field here. I mean, there is space for it, growing potatoes and carrots and whatnot, and then a bit uphill here will be maybe 2-3 big ground beds growing other vegetables, and then maybe a little bit over here there will be like a small greenhouse or so. And I'm thinking that maybe the shed on the upper part of the property, that would be like a chicken house, having chickens and so. How about that? So the sun is reaching most parts of the property during the day. There is no particular spot that is always in the shade and this is in the dark. So I think that is a very nice feature as well. It's open and it's bright. This house deserves a nice balcony. I think the current one is quite small and a little bit crammed in. I would like to extend it outward here and then make it wider with a roof over it. I think that would be a really nice place to hang out with friends over dinner or over drinks, enjoying the sun setting over the lake in the evening. Then maybe a few steps down there would be like a tanning deck or a tree deck. You can enjoy the sun during the day, maybe reading a book or something like that. So as for this room, I got an idea pitched to me from a colleague of mine, which I now have stolen. These big windows, maybe they will be replaced with like a big glass sliding doors here, or maybe like a double door here in the center. This would be the bedroom, I think, with a big bed here, like a king-size bed, and then in the morning you wake up, you open the doors and exiting the bedroom through those big sliding glass doors onto a tree deck, maybe extending out here. Space for a small sitting area, and the tree deck just extends around the corner of the house and joining the balcony that extends out to this side as well. Should be pretty nice. The room behind me was the bedroom, so this is the living room. I would like to open up a big window facing the lake, and then maybe this corner here would be a sitting area, having a sofa, coffee table, maybe a chair or two somewhere, or maybe the sofa is in front of the big window. A TV, some nice lights as well. To further enhance this open flow from the kitchen to the big windows, I think I would like to shorten this wall here, like towards this side, or maybe opening up a hole here, like a window or something. I think that would give this even more spacious feeling. One of the strong points is of course the small sauna. I'm really looking forward having the first sauna here. Maybe you've noticed that some places the lights are on. Actually, I've got the electricity working, so it's a small victory. Currently there is no direct exit from the basement to the outside. You have to walk up to the ground floor and then exit from there. I think if I dig out this part a little bit and then punch a hole in the wall here, put in a door, that could be a nice addition to the house. Then maybe have a small sitting area here as well. So this would be the room where the exit out from the basement outside would be, opening up a door here and so on. I guess this would be like the laundry room or whatnot. Put tiles on the floor and so on. I mean, you come back from your mountain bike ride in the autumn, all muddy and so on. You put your bike over here and your dirty clothes, and you head into the shower, which is behind you, and then into the sauna, which you started before you went out on your mountain bike ride. Sounds pretty nice. I think we should add fireplaces to the strong point list, because who does not want to have a fireplace in their house? Looking forward to the premiere, the fire premiere. The guest house here is quite spacious and well built. The previous owner installed a small sink and a toilet as well, so it would be pretty nice guest house. I think on the lower side or on the back side here there are no big windows or no windows at all. I think that's one of the things that I would change with this guest house. Maybe I can use it as a hobby room or something like that. Put up a pool table or like those video game racing chair setup. I don't know. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. These are some of the ideas and the vision I have for this place. I'm not sure what you're thinking, but please let me know. Leave a comment down below and let me know, and I hope I see you in the next video.